You actually want to have a look inside?
I'm all right for now.
Because I mean, right, okay.
I mean, I can see them from here. Is there? How many of you, are you the owner of the building?
I am, yes,
Yeah. What was your name, sorry?
My name's Derek Cannon.
Oh, nice to meet you, Derek. I'm Gemma from Animal Welfare.
Hi, Gemma.
That's my ID there, if you want to
Okay,
see that
yes,
as well,
right.
all right? So how many have you got, Derek?
19.
19, wow. All the same type?
I know there's Jers, there's Peregrines, there's a Merlin.
Right. What do you do with them then? Do you show them?
Well, if I fly in, I fly them, and I breed from them.
You breed from them as well?
Yes,
right? Oh dear, what's happened to this one?
Well, because the people have been coming in and out, it's been thrashing around,
Oh, right, it's got stressed.
and it's cut itself.
Right. Who's
So
your vet, Derek?
I use Prescott,
Robson Prescott, is it?
the one in Morpeth.
Oh, you go all the way to Morpeth?
Sam Prescott.
Right, right.
Now, as you can see, that's fresh.
Yeah, oh no, I can
That's
see
just happened today, and that's why I don't like people coming in the garden.
Right.
That's why you can only clean these. I clean these once a month. But imagine if I went in every time, there's always a chance of that happening. You see, this is what happens when people come in the garden. They get stressed. Now that bird's in danger of hurting itself.
Yeah, people don't stress anymore. Very body, aren't they?
I mean, as you can see, they're in immaculate condition.
Get thinner as it goes around here, like, isn't it? You have to start breathing in.
Well, you don't open this area?
That female?
That's a female Merlin, yes, And you see that there's food for them, there's water for them.
Yeah. Oh, that's a body one.
Yes.
Put that one there. Just there. Gemma? Just there, Gemma.
Oh, gorgeous.
Well, I think, if the birds weren't getting, there would be a big build-up of mutes on the floor.
Yeah.
You can, things like that, it can't be helped. I mean, there is food.
Yeah.
But I mean, once a
Obviously,
month.
you're feeding them the chicks and stuff.
Uh-huh.
Is that what you feed them?
Yes,
Yeah. Am I going round in circles here?
Yeah, yes,
Can I
do.
go out here?
Yes,
Throw them up outside of the house.
How do I do this, Derek?
Yeah,
Do I just push?
Yes, yes,
I don't want to break anything.